This activity is called the dancing raisins. It's a very simple activity, and all you need is some raisins, and you'll need a glass with some sparkling, either water or a lemon lime drink, something that's clear, see-through, and has lots of bubbles. Now the way to do it is simply just to take some raisins and drop them into the drink. You'll see we put one in there, and if you give it a little second or two, it'll come up. So we'll put in several of the raisins, and you should see them going up and down and up and down. Just showing you a close-up of the raisins, and you can see what's actually happening here is the raisins, the bubbles in the water. What happens is they attach to the raisins, and they're a little bit like a float or a life jacket, and as they do, that bubbly air makes the things float. When they go up to the top, as they reach the surface here, the raisins are starting to, the bubbles will actually burst, and as they burst, it'll get heavier again, and the raisin will drop to the bottom of the glass, and then the bubbles will then take it back up to the top. So here's a close-up of a raisin, and as you can see, the raisin has a very rough surface, and it has a lot of places where the bubbles can attach. If you put in something very small in there, the bubbles might be able to attach the thing to bring it up to the top. So this goes on for quite a while because the bubbles, as long as there's bubbles in the water, it will bring the raisins up and down. I hope you liked our dancing raisin experiment. If you'd like to do more of these simple science experiments, please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel by clicking the little red icon at the bottom of your screen. You can also click the little notification button, the little bell, and that will notify you whenever we upload different videos. We try to upload 1 or 2 science videos each week, so please subscribe. Thank you very much for watching.